Hello traders, I'm Igor and in this video I'm going to share with you my alert wave charts. So let's start with British Pound, where we've got a possible extension here in the third wave, I mean this price movement, and the big question here, have this wave 4 ended or not? So I opened a new short trade today, but if we see for example here a triangle, I'm going to get my break-even stop loss and then I'm going to sell again if we see a pullback from this upper side of this possible triangle. I'm still keeping one short trade on Australian dollar cause there is a possible wedge here in wave A and a zigzag in wave B here. So bears are likely going to deliver wave C in the short term. And just have a look how many pullbacks we have on euro dollar from the lower side of this possible triangle. So I have opened one long trade with a stop loss here at the local low. And there is the same story on dollar index where we've got a possible double zigzag here in wave X, so there is an opportunity to have a downward zigzag in wave Y. However, I'm out of the market here cause I have a long trade on euro. I'm still keeping my short trade on Japanese yen, and if the price comes back under this moving average line again, I'm going to sell more. At the same time, if bulls move on and this high turns out to be broken, I'll be out of the market until this wave structure becomes more clear. And there is a very bullish story on Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar cause we've got a zigzag here in wave 2 and it's likely that we're going to have an extension in the third wave. So I've got one long trade and I'm going to buy more to trade this possible extension. British Pound versus Australian dollar is still bearish, so I'm keeping my short trades to trade this possible third wave. Also I've got one long trade on Turkish Lira, which has been rising since this zigzag in wave B ended. So I'm going to buy more on this coming correction in a possible wave 4. It seems like a bearish impulse in wave C on gold ended, and we have a bullish impulse here which could be wave 1 or wave A. So I'm just waiting for an ending of this correction and I'm going to buy when we see a small bullish impulse, which could be a confirmation that the next upward impulse, which could be wave 3 or wave C, started. It is still possible to have a diagonal triangle on wave 5 on wheat, so I have one short trade here. Also I've opened a short trade on soybeans, cause bears are likely going to deliver wave 3 here very soon. I've got 3 long trades on natural gas cause it's likely that we have wave 3 in progress, which is likely going to be continued. Oil is still rising, so I've got one long here to trade this possible wave 5 inside this bigger wave 3. I haven't opened trades here cause it was a huge risk to have a bigger correction because of this fast downward movement here. And there is another chance to have a bullish impulse here on Dow index. So I've got 2 long trades here, which both have a break-even stop, so if the current correction moves on, there'll be nothing bad for me. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care. Bye bye.